Welcome to Script Learners. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we're going to discuss a very interesting problem that was asked in the TCS coding interview round. The interview was based on core Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, and REST APIs concepts. In this video, we will be covering the coding part only. So before discussing the problem, I request you guys to please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. We create awesome interview preparation related videos on regular basis. Make sure to check it out and do subscribe, guys. So let's discuss the problem. So here's the problem statement. You have an array with n minus 1 integers. All of the integers in the array are different, that is distinct, and are between 1 to n. Your task is to find the missing integer in the range of 1 to n. Okay, so here are the assumptions. Okay, so let's discuss this problem with the help of one example. So here is one test case. We are given n equal to 6, and this is the array. This contains value till n. So we have to find the missing number which exists between 1 to n but not present in this array. And this array also contains the numbers between 1 to n. Okay, so in this case, this array should contain all the values that exist between 1 to 6, but here you can see like one number is missing, that is the number 1 itself. Okay, same with the test case 2. Here we have n equal to 9, so the array should contain all the values from 1 to n, 1 to 9, sorry, but there is one missing value. So in this case, the missing value is 2. So yeah, this is the basic problem statement. I hope you understood the problem. So now let's discuss this, like how we're gonna solve this problem. So here what we can do is, if you will observe carefully, we can simply, in order to get the missing number, we can simply first get the sum of all the digits that is present between 1 to n. Okay, and the sum of digits present in this array. Okay, and we can simply subtract this sum, that is, let's say this is n sum, with the sum of digits. Let's say this is sum, so we will get the missing number. So let's take the example here. So let's assume we have this array, and here the n is 6. So the n sum will be, that is the sum of digits present till 6, from 1 to 6, will be 21. Okay, and the sum of digits present in this array will be 11, 16, and 20. Yeah, so if we will subtract this 21 by 20, we'll get our missing number. Okay, same with the second test case. So here the n is 9, so the n sum of 9 will be 45, and the sum of digits that is present here, the sum will be 43. So if we subtract the n sum with the sum of digits present in the array, we'll get the missing number. So here we got the 2, that means 2 is the missing number. So I hope you understood the main agenda here, what we are doing, like how we're gonna solve this problem. So let's jump into the coding part. So let me create a new class here. Let me call it as TCS Interview, and I'll also select the public static void main, that is our main method. Let me import the required packages. I will do Java import java.util. Okay, and here is our main method. So guys, we have created a detailed video on what is public static void main. Make sure to check it out. It is a very informative video. We have covered this concept very thoroughly. Make sure to check it out. I'll drop the link here in the I button in the top right corner. Make sure to check it out. Okay. So now what I will do, I will create a scanner class object. Let's say scanner SC. I'll do new scanner system dot in. Okay, and I'll do a sysout. Enter the value of n, and I'll create one variable n. Int n sc dot next int, and I'll take the input from the user. Then I'll create the array. Before that, let me do a sysout. I'll say enter the array values. Okay, let's create the array. So what I will do, I will initialize it as int array. Let me call it as ARR, and I'll do new int. I'll pass the size as n-1 because the array will contain n-1 values, because there will be one digit that will be missing, that will be always be missing from that array. Okay, now what I can do, I will take the input from user, for array values a less than n, sc dot next int. Okay, now I will create a separate method, static int. Let me call it as missing number, and I will pass the array and n as the argument. And now what I will do, let me return 0 as of now. Now I will create a sum. Let me call it as nsum. In this we'll store the sum from 1 to n. So there is a shortcut, like there are two ways. One is we can create a for loop. Okay, like for loop, and we can initialize it with 1 and I less than equal to n and I plus plus. Then what we can do, we can calculate the sum. Let me initialize this with 0, and what I can do, I can do this. Okay, n sum equal to n sum plus I. So it will at the end of this loop, it will store the sum total of the digits that exist between 1 to n. It will basically store the sum of range from 1 to n. Okay, but you know, we can do this with another method. That is, we have a formula in mathematics in order to calculate the sum from 1 to n. That is, we can calculate it by multiplying n with n plus 1 and then dividing it by 2. By doing so, we'll get the sum total of values all the values that exist between 1 to n. So we'll be using this. So let me do that. So what I will do, I will multiply n by n plus 1, okay, and then I will divide it by 2. Yeah, that's it. We got the sum of n numbers. Okay, now what I will do, I will create a variable sum and I'll initialize it by 0. In this one, we will store the sum of the values that are present in this array. Okay, so for this, obviously, we need to iterate uh, through the array because we don't know which value has been skipped. We have n, right? Plus plus sum plus array at I. Okay, and at last I will simply return the difference between n sum and sum. Okay, yep, that's it. We got our answer. Let me do this out here in the main method, and let me call this. Let me also print output statement here, and I'll call this function missing num. I'll pass array and n. Let me save it. So let me run this. We will test this using the test case 1. So here the n is 6, and this is the array. We got the output as 1. Yes, it is correct. Let's also test the second test case. So here we have n is 9, and this is the following values that are present in the array. Yes, we got the output 2. Yes, 2 is the missing value from the array. That's it. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel. We will be posting more such amazing interview preparation related videos, and we will be also posting various interview experiences of different companies. So make sure to subscribe our channel. I've also pasted the solution, uh, the code of this program here in this article. I'll paste the link of this article in the description box. Make sure to check it out in the description or in the comment section. Make sure to check it out. And you can also visit our website. We have created this beautiful website for you. We post latest job updates on regular basis and interview preparation related videos. Sorry, interview preparation related articles of different companies. Make sure to check it out. You can also join our Telegram channel. Here we post the job opportunities on regular basis. Make sure to check it out. And at last, please subscribe our channel, guys. Thank you.